the 1998 Nissan Regulus. It comes with 54,431 original miles. It is powered by the reliable VG30 3.0 liter V6 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. As y'all can see right here, the number down here, 87,599. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 54,431. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the exterior, the frame of the vehicle. You can visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. We do appreciate y'all's support. Thank you for the continual support. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.